Alright, so let's see few more draw tools that we have in AutoCAD. So I'm pretty much let's say go for points. So we have a multiple points tool which basically we can use for measure and divide, or can create multiple points basically. And for this we have a command called point, as simple as that. So for now let's left click it, and we have already selected it, and let's define a point over here. So as of now you can see your point is barely visible, right? So why is that so? If you come to your utilities and go to point style, four dots, you can see there are few point styles by default given by the Autodesk AutoCAD. So right now we have a dot point which is barely visible in our drawing. So let's try some other point style. Let's go for this one, and let's keep the point size 5% relative to a screen default. Okay, so now you can see the change. You can be easily, let's draw a few more points somewhere here, 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 like this. So it's more clear now, right? Because before it was just a point which we could barely see. So these multiple points can be used to, let's say, represent that we have a few trees in our garden, boundary, something like that, right? It can also be used for creating, let's say, surveying points over here, or if you're doing surveying and stuff like that, you can use it. That's how you can utilize the multiple points. Now let's see if we go for a spline fit, and I come to one of my point, and make sure your object snap node is ticked, so that when we come to a point it snaps it, and then we can draw our spline. So let's do a quick spline over here. Press enter to finish. Looks pretty unique, right? That's a bit odd, but that's how you can utilize our different draw panels, draw tools that we have in AutoCAD. Now there is one more tool, that is donut, right? So let's select it. It creates a filled circle or a wide ring. Alright. So for the command you can type in donut. Let's left click it for now. Now it says specify inside diameter. So let's say it's 6 inches, enter, and 12 inches, enter. Now if I click here, 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 let's leave that point, and here. So that's how the donuts can be created, and you can see it pretty much stands out in the drawing, and it could be used for surveying points, and maybe representing some kind of point. That's how the donuts work.